Hello, Abbas. I'm going to make you this quick video to show you what I did for you yesterday, and hopefully that'll answer your questions. So this is your original data set, and I deleted the first 18 because that's Qualtrics stuff and you don't need it, okay? So your next couple of questions are demographics, and your real survey questions start here, right? There's the first one, recruitment, and then something else. And then the last one was something else, right? Enticement and recognition or something. So you got three different variables, but you got a whole bunch of questions. So the problem, the first problem is these are backwards. You got the values ass backwards, right? 1 is strongly agree, 5 is strongly disagree. So back on your PowerPoint, this is just bad right here. So you name it here, right? 1 strongly agree, 5 strongly disagree. And you say the lower the mean, the higher the agreement. That's backwards. It should be the higher the mean, the higher agreement. That's why I reverse coded them for you. And so that was the second data sheet I sent you. Let me pull that guy up here. Where are you? Okay, and I deleted those first couple ones. But then I changed it like this, right? 1 was strongly disagree, 5 was strongly agree. That way, the higher the number, the more agreement. Okay, that makes sense. So he did that for you, and if it wasn't an applicable, I gave him a 0, so it wouldn't be counted in the calculations. So that was the first thing I did. So after I reverse coded them, and I sent you that file, so they're already reverse coded, here's the first 11 questions with the new means, medians, and standard deviation. So I strongly suggest that you change these for the ones you have on your PowerPoint and get rid of this bottom part here, right? Because the smaller the number, the greater the agreement. That doesn't fly whatsoever. Part 2. So it says you ran a t-test to see if there's a significant difference in these scale scores between HR employees, and administrative non-HR employees. I'm going to show you how to do that. And I'm going to use your old data just to make sure they match with what I'm looking at on the PowerPoint. So this is your grouping variable, and it looks like you're using, see, I can't figure out, who are you comparing to? Back to this guy, you say you're comparing HR employees and administrative non-HR employees, right? HR employees and non-administrative employees. So that would be number 2 and number 3. We're going to leave out the faculty. So watch how fast we can do this. We simply go to Analyze, Compare Means, Independent Sample T-Test. There's the 10 questions, right? And then we're going to do the grouping variable. So it was number 2 and number 3. Number 1 was faculty. We're not using them. We leave that out. We click Continue, click OK, and here's our output. Let's go down here. Here's our output, right? So your first t-test on question number 1, I got a t-score of 3.345, and you got 2.697. I don't know where these numbers are coming from. In other words, I'm not sure what the grouping was when you ran your t-test. T-test needs one variable with 2 groups, 2 sublevels, and 1 continuous variable. The continuous variable in your case is going to be each one of your survey questions. But again, this data, I don't know where you're getting it from. So I hope this video helps. Unfortunately, I am booked from now till forever, but I will still see you on Monday at 10 o'clock. All right, bye.